I'm going to show you how to stabilize this contour waistband. It involves machine ease stitching along the waistline, as well as applying twill tape. First of all, you should already have your waistband assembled, either sew on the side seam or the back seam, depending on what your pattern calls for. The first part of it is machine ease stitching. The key is putting your finger or thumb behind the presser foot. Start stitching on the waist seam line. As you're going, you're preventing the fabric from feeding freely, so the fabric bunches up in the back behind the presser foot. And you want to do this for maybe 3 inches or 7 centimeters or so. Release and do it again. And you keep going, and once in a while you release until the end of the waistline. This is scrunching the fabric and easing the fabric with the stitches. That's why it's called machine ease stitching. And that's all there is to it. Now we are done with machine ease stitching. You see that the fabric wrinkles up a little bit, which is what we want. The next step is to cut the twill tape. There are 3 ways to determine the length of the twill tape. First is to put the twill tape around your waist, since you know the waistband is supposed to sit on your waist. But your particular garment might not be sitting on the waist. It might be sitting below the waist, so the second way is to follow the finished garment measurement if it is provided to you in the pattern. The third way is to measure your pattern pieces. Be careful though, you want to exclude the seam allowances when you are measuring. And of course this is only half of the waist, so you want to double the length to make a full waist measurement. We're fitting the waistline into the length of the twill tape. I'm going to pin it before taking it to the sewing machine. Now let's go to the sewing machine. Let's sew on the twill tape. You are sewing on the seam line. Now your waistline on your contour waistband is stabilized. That's all. Happy sewing!